My experience about my first job. I was 19 years old. My best friend told me about a job opportunity in a shoe company, which I thought it was really good for me since I'm very talkative, outgoing person, and good with people. So I applied for this job. When I got a call back for an interview, we talked a little bit of benefits as an employee, and we also talked about perks, schedules, and different locations. The person who interviewed me at the first meeting, it was kind of arrogant, but the manager who hired me looked like a structured person. On the first day, I feel weird because everybody was looking at me and I feel uncomfortable. Some people were more sensitive than others, and there was others who were open-minded and laid back. So one of my coworkers who guided me in my first day was a little pushy. He wanted the things his way. So at the end of the day, I felt relaxed. Thanks for your attention.